nonsense in the ashtray, half-empty bottle of Gatorade rolling on the floorboards. That dirty Braves cap on the dash, dog tags hanging from the rear view, old scope can and a cowboy boots and a goat on his shirt, folded into the back. That thing burns gas like crazy, that's alright. People have their ways of coping, and I've got mine. I drive your truck, I roll every window down and I burn up every back road in this town to find a field, tear it up till all this pain's a cloud of dust. Yeah, sometimes I drive your truck. I leave that radio playing, same old country station where you left it. Yeah, man, I crank it up, and you would probably punch my arm right now if you saw this tear rolling down my face. Hey man, I'm trying to be tough. Mama asked me this morning if I've been by your grave, but that flag and stone ain't where I feel you anyway. I drive your truck, I roll every window down and I burn up every back road in this town to find a field, tear it up till all this pain's a cloud of dust. Yeah, sometimes I drive your truck. I've cussed and prayed and said goodbye, shook my fist and asked God why. These days I'm missing you this much. I drive your truck, I roll every window down and I burn up every back road in this town to find a field, tear it up till all this pain's a cloud of dust. Yeah, sometimes I drive your truck. I drive your truck.